do.
Hello everybody, Peter here. Today we're unboxing a new pair of wireless headphones. These are the Airpods Pro from Apple. So this is quite an expensive pair of headphones. We can find here where I am for about 200-220 euros. And I have high expectation for these, since even though they're way too expensive for what they are, they need to sound great at this price, and I do trust Apple to do something good even though it's expensive. So got my cutter here, but before actually opening it, I'm gonna go around the box. So here is some text that says it's compatible with iOS devices. Here's the Apple logo. Airpods Pro with wireless charging, so if you have an iPhone that is 8 and above, you can wireless charge these Airpods Pro from the iPhone, from what I know. The logo again, and here it says what they are. So Airpods Pro, and with wireless charging and in multiple languages. The front, simple, just the product, so you know what is in here. It got out of focus a little, so maybe I can just focus the camera. That's great. So let's get starting. Take the cutter, do a small cut in here so I don't damage the box, and now I can peel off the plastic. It's quite a heavy box, so you can do this to get it open. First thing you encounter by this designed in California text. In here there are some cards. So you have here the way to pair them, I think, and how to use them. I think it's in multiple languages as well. Here are some warning papers. Multiple languages, warning papers, and all of that stuff. And in the middle, the actual device. What else is in here? Here's a charging cable. So they do come up with a Type-C to Lightning port. That's actually an interesting cable, and because my laptop has Type-C on it, I can use to charge my iPhone or these earpieces from the laptop. I think this is designed for working with the new laptop from Apple, and I also think the new phones have Type-C as well, not really sure. So this is why they come like this, and you cannot use them with a normal brick since it's a Type-C to Lightning. Gonna open the headphones themselves also, so take this one out and peel this off, and it's the normal case from Apple, so let me focus on them a little. Yep, this is how they look. I'll open them, and this is what it is inside. So we do have these Apple designed headphones, so they look like the normal headphones, but they also have this rubber thing that goes into the ear, so you have a better fit. No additional rubber fitting, so you have a bigger ear or something like that. So later, while reading the manual, I have found out that they actually do have some changing bits, and I have searched for them a little. They were inside here, so they were here like this. This is how they look. So you can change the fit based on your ear, and that's a great addition. So I was wrong when I was thinking that they only have one size. It actually felt strange, but I didn't ask since I didn't saw them. Back to the video. Here's the other one. So make sure you don't lose them. Inside the box there's a charging pin, as you can see there. Actually two contacts, so one in the left and one inside. So when you plug these headphones in, they can charge. Quite a premium looking device, not gonna lie. Great looking. I'm also gonna do a review of these ones, so stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.